Welcome to HM Drive, a review of a new Mercedes-Benz GLC 2021 model. Today I brought up this video because the company has done certain changes in this particular model. They have added some features in this car. As Let's have a quick review for the same. You can have a look at the car. This is quite edgy and rugged as well as sleek at the same time. The quiet off-roader, the ruggedness is there in terms of look, the sleekness in terms of character line and aerodynamics made very nicely the same. At the same time, we'll also discuss about certain features which is being added in this car. But yes, as of now the looks has been always a good since beginning. But yes, from outside, aluminum look running boards with the rubber studs, which gives it a toughness feeling, and LED headlamps, which is a high performance, which has 350-meter range, which is very good to just like in case you're going on a long drive, you have a good visibility over roads. And panoramic sunroof has very beautiful, which has a large view where you can have a good experience. And alloys are 19 inches, again a good size, so that you will have a good performance over road. The alloys play very vital role in car engineering. Even they have just given it a very good finish. Interior is very exclusive. Actually, it's awesome. From inside, you see the sitting arrangements and the craftsmanship is like, it's orthopedically made. There are some highlighted features have this car, like MBUX, Mercedes Me Connect, wireless charging, cruise control, dynamic select, and thematic automatic climate control. There are 2 USB ports in the rear side and the hard disk navigation. We will discuss about these features too. And see, this is next telematic generation 6, which we called MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, where the screen, your touchpad, and your voice command, all features comes. See the instrumental cluster for the driver's seat, that is 12.3 inches, again very wide view, so that you will have a complete crazy feel while driving this car. And the screen, you generally get dynamic select as well as comfort select. There's different options. You can also make your individual setting for the same, so you can have at the same time you can have a 3 cars drive. The car has been added with massage seats. It's not thorough complete massage seat, but yes, this is massage sort of through air waves. Thermatic AC, like 3 different setting to control your AC temperature. Mercedes generally call it thermatic automatic climate control. Ambient lighting is always a beautiful in this one, where you can change the different themes, lounge mode, a different sort of feeling you can have on different modes. As I discussed, 2 USB port for the rear, so that you will not feel any problem for charging. This is again in MBUX. They have added certain new features: MBUX touch control concept, MBUX voice control, 10.25 inches screen, 3-spoke multifunction steering, smartphone integration. Where on the screen you can see this is a 10.25 inch high SD, which is very nice in terms of touch, very smooth, soft touch, so that you can easily access the information over this. Touchpad has a haptic feedback, so that you will actually you can feel the touch, and it also gives you pleasure while driving. And wireless charger, again while driving, it is a crying need of today's scenario. We actually require this kind of scenario in a car, so that you can easily charge it. From the safety point of view, Mercedes-Benz has given emergency call system, pre-safe system, active parking assist, and the parking for this 3-degree camera. This is here we have the emergency call system button. It's on your roof, central red one. And again that The entire interior part is wonderful, where you can see the hard disk navigation. You can easily, wherever you want to go, so you can easily navigate over your screen. Quite a wide view just because of 10.25 inches screen. And company also giving you vehicle monitoring system, where you have Mercedes Me Connect. With that you can easily locate your car. And emergency call system, as I told you, it has a red button so that you can press it and you can easily in case of emergency you can use it. Advanced sound system, that the quality is very good of music. And easy pack load compartment, where you can easily put your luggage and baggage, good amount of space. It is coming with the 5 variant options: GLC 200, GLC 220D, 300 automatic coupe, GLC 300D automatic coupe. Thanks for watching. Stay connected, stay tuned.